Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
It has been a while since I've done a very Dundee-centric video showing actually some of the stuff that's happening around the city of Dundee. Hoping to get back to that, and I kind of will start with this ship that is in front of you here. This is the Carr Lightship. It's based here at the City Quay Victoria Dock in Dundee. The reason why I'm talking about this ship and the reason why it's been in the media so much lately is because this is facing decommissioning within, well, now less than a few weeks. It is just about 3 or 4 weeks this is facing decommissioning. This, again, the Carr Lightship is the last remaining lightship, I believe, in Scotland. As you can see, it is in a little bit of a sorry state of repair, and it is currently on sale for £1. The ship is been docked here for about nearly 25 years, I believe. Certainly a long time, many years. The ship is badly in need of repairs and a lot of money spent on it. The repairs, according to what Tamara, who are a charity based in Newport-on-Tay, who own the vessel, are estimating at least £1.5 to £2 million needed to save and refurbish and do what's needed to the ship, which is why in the press a couple of days ago, one of their directors, a gentleman called David Morrison, was saying that they would allow somebody to buy the ship for £1. So it is technically right now available on sale for a total of 100 pence or £1, or 250 pences, or however you want to make up that amount of money. So it is technically on sale for £1. And again, it is going to cost a lot of money to save, really kind of recondition. You can see a little bit, obviously. This is about as near as I can really get to it, because obviously I'm not on permissions to go on board. There's been people on board looking at the vessel the other week, but I think that was part of Tamara, just looking around again. And but if nothing is done to, nobody comes forward, or nobody is willing to invest the money, this ship will be decommissioned. Basically that means it'll be scrapped. It'll be taken away somewhere, I don't know where, I don't know how they're going to do it, but it is going to be scrapped some point after the 5th of January 2024. Apparently Tamara, obviously, in situations like these, they have legal duties to do stuff. They have already filed the papers for the ship to have it decommissioned, again scrapped, basically broken up, after the 5th of January, if nobody comes forward to, obviously again, to buy the vessel and is able to invest that £1.5 to £2 million at least that it will take to kind of save the vessel and have it redone and do whatever repairs are needed to it. They have been doing some like patches to it, because one of the fears has been a little bit, but I don't know how deep this City Quay is, this Victoria Dock is, but there's like fears that it might even sink where it is, which would obviously make it a lot more expensive to be repaired, depending on what damage is done, if that kind of thing happened. And obviously it would cost a lot of money to somebody would have to haul it out of the water anyway. If that happened, it would need removal somewhere. So I think it's a bit of a sad situation, honestly, to see this happen. At the moment, we are talking, let me just check, yeah, the 13th of December. This is the 13th of December, so it's literally got about 3 or so weeks left for somebody to come forward and see whether any businessman, investment group or anybody like that would be interested in saving this ship, which, to be honest, I think is a bit of a shame. We are down again. We're down here at the City Quay Victoria Docks. I'll just let this van go past. But I think it's a real shame that this is potentially going to get scrapped. I mean, again, in all honesty, it depends on what the state of this lightship is. Depends on what the state, whether it can actually be saved, or whether it is just reached the point where it would have to get scrapped. And I think it's a little bit of a shame because it is sitting right, again, I don't know, you can see, probably not really see it that well down there, but you can see the Unicorn is sitting down there, and there are lots of plans that are being really strongly pushed forward by the group running the Unicorn to revamp and kind of remodel this area, especially down there a little bit further. I think they would push the ship even down a little bit further than it actually is sitting right now. And there are plans for a museum, basically I think kind of put it in dry dock and have it permanently dry, so that people, and I think you can see that there, it's a good rainbow down there. But and unfortunately the future is bright for the Unicorn, because it hopefully plans for that that have been gathering, well, attempting to gather pace over the last couple of years, will go forward. But sadly, it seems that any plans for the North Carr Lightship seem to be fading. Unfortunately, hopes for someone to come forward and save this vessel, at the moment it's not looking good. And it's a shame. I would love to see this area, you know, there's lots of plans for Dundee, which I'll get into in another time, and over certainly maybe in the course of the next couple of years on this channel. But I think it's a shame that one ship sitting down here has got such a bright future, and yet the North Carr Lightship, sadly, it seems that time may be running out on this beautiful bright red ship. Well, I say bright, it's obviously faded a little bit, but it's a nice ship. I think it'll be sad to see it go, really. Again, there are a lot of vehicles, weirdly enough, today going, but yeah, I think it'd be a shame to see this being scrapped, and to see it potentially not even reaching its 91st birthday, or barely, by the time it is scrapped. But again, I thought I would do this video just to let you see and kind of document the ship a little bit. I'm going to take a few photos once I've done with this video, just to capture. I took a few the other week with my other camera, but see how this looks. So it does look like time is running out, sadly, for the North Carr Lightship. But I will take a few photos now, and I will do an update video in a few weeks once we know what is happening, whether this ship is sadly doomed, or hopefully if somebody comes in at the very last minute to save the ship in its present condition, give it the TLC that it needs. And well, so unfortunately, let's see what happens. I'm not too hopeful, but anyway, well, fingers crossed somebody might be able to do something with it.